in the Bombay hostage crisis situation, the accused has been shot dead. Accused Rohit Arya opened fire on the police, and the police then returned fire with one round. Accused Rohit Arya was injured in the firing, and the latest coming in is that the accused Rohit Arya died. He succumbed to his injuries after he opened fire at the police officials. That's the latest coming in. My colleague Sujata has been tracking this closely. Sujata, what's the latest? Yeah. All right. We lost Sujata's line. So the news coming in this point of time is that in the Mumbai hostage situation, the accused Rohit Arya has been shot dead, and my colleague Sujata is back here. Sujata, what's the latest that you can tell us at this point of time? Because the accused opened fire at the police officials, and the latest coming in is that he has been shot dead.
Well, yes, now as per the information that has been shared by police sources, it is being told that the accused in the matter, Rohit Arya, has been shot dead. Now, this happened that when the to barge in the entire premises through the washroom way, and after which efforts were made to get control over the accused. Now, as soon as the police tried getting control over him, it was that the accused Rohit Arya, he tried opening fire at the police officials, after which he too was shot at, and as soon as he was shifted to the hospital for treatment, it is being told that he is currently dead. Now this is currently at in Powai, where Rohit Arya, he took these kids under hostage and warned the officials through a mobile video that if his demands are not met, he is going to injure the kids as well as kill his own self. Now, Mumbai police trying to pacify the situation, they ensured that all the kids were rescued safely, but in this entire case, the accused here has been shot. He was earlier taken to the but that is when during the treatment he is currently declared dead, and this has happened just a while ago where he was taken to the hospital for treatment, but currently it is being told as per sources that Rohit Arya is dead. Back to you.
Right, Sujata. Of course, Rohit Arya earlier had released a video making the threats and demanding to speak with certain individuals there. Of course, the good news is that all the children hostages, they have now been rescued, and they are with their parents, and they are gone for medical checkup. But talk to us more about Rohit Arya. What we're also learning is that he was a social activist from Pune, and that he took this step, and he took children as hostages because of some non-payment for his project.
Well, certainly. Now, these are grounds to investigate upon, because the Mumbai police too, like DCP Ratan Alawade in his media interaction stated that there are multiple angles that are coming up in the story, and it is important to first, get the ground and the basic information right during investigation and find out of what exactly was the background of the accused in the case, which is Rohit Arya. And it is when the police tried, as soon as they entered the premises through the way of the washroom is when he opened a round of fire, and the police too tried to retaliate to get control over him, and that is when he was injured. And as soon as he was injured, he was taken out and taken to the hospital, and that is when during his treatment he has been pronounced dead. But it was again the situation that the Mumbai police they retaliated in, but at this point it is also the background of because it is clear that Rohit Arya had some other questions that he wanted to ask the authorities. He did not name any, but he clearly stated that there are questions that he needs answers from, and even if he gets those answers, he needs to do some sort of cross questioning to people, and after which he'll be letting the children free. Now, in that very video, he's also stating that he's not sure what will he do with the kids. He's just kept them hostages, and as soon as his demands are met, he'll try not to injure or harm any of these kids. But he did say that he is not going to take any responsibility on any sort of harm that is being done to the children. But it was Mumbai police who reached the situation, first made an alarming call, and thereafter with the back route they entered the premise, and there they tried to talk to the accused first. That is when Rohit, who already had a gun with him, he tried firing at the police. That is when police did another round of firing, and in that Rohit Arya, he was injured, immediately taken to the hospital and out from this very spot, and that is when during treatment he is currently pronounced dead. But also, you know, it is important to understand what was the situation. These CCTV footages that will be, investigated, and then after, an official statement by the Mumbai Police too is expected in the matter. Back to you.